I think you would agree that when it comes to marketing, testimonials are an effective tool, and that companies today are utilizing video more and more in their marketing. So why not combine the two? Now, without making any assumptions about your business goals, I believe video testimonials would play a pivotal role in your success. At Loyalty Vidz, we provide businesses with the ability to make it easy to allow your clients and customers to tell their story about how your product or service made their life better. It eliminates the need to hire a video production company and spend the high cost and time it once took. Because with Loyalty Vidz, you can record quickly, easily, and conveniently anywhere and get a fully produced video ready to share. It'll help you separate yourself from the competition. Did you know social media posts with video have 48% more views? For more information, go to www.loyaltyvidz.com.